actually this code snippets model the circle brackets inputs is hiding. So inside this inside of this model function, it's actually hiding these following codes. So this code here is the forward pass. Like, for example, we have a forward pass using the convolutional neural network. That's why we use a calcifier, right? So um, here, what are actually seeing here is the input or uh, um, uh, the training loop of the model. Okay, so inside of this model, uh, we call it forward. So the x here is actually uh, the input value or the raw features that came from this train loader. Okay, so every batch here we put here in the inputs is a raw data, and we'll forward here. So the forward pass will begin. So in the self-dot features we set in the other snippets of codes, what it contains is layer by layered uh, the activation functions, the pooling, the convolutional, like that. So uh, the raw features of the values x here, uh, it transforms layer by layer of the following. Okay, the convolutional, the activation functions, the pooling, like that, etc. And after those layer by layer transforming our data of our features data, then it will flatten to fit in the activation functions, which is the softmax. What softmax does is what the softmax does is helping to decide which the probabilistic value and classified information. So here, this only works here in the snippet of codes if else because that selfless classifier is none. Then we're going to initialize the value of it because initially in the forward pass we said it's a none, and to initialize it here, we're going to set the number of size of this uh, number of um, features for this one. Okay, so and it will return classifier at x as the outputs. Okay, and this classifier does is convert it to the logits or the raw prediction value, and the loss function will perform, which is um, taking the difference of the true value versus the prediction value, how far it from the true value or the labels, and it will perform the back propagation, calculating gradients, big gradients of the parameters, and the optimizer will update the weights it towards the local minima or um, the, the loss function minima. Okay, and it will set to 0.grade for another batch again. So if it doesn't if it does not set to the zero gradients again, the previous gradients we calculated adds up here. So this one code snippets model um, hiding is this forward pass.